Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to create a custom list in NetSuite. Navigate to Customization, Lists, Records, and Fields. Lists. Click New. On the Custom List page, enter the name of the list in the designated field to identify it within the system. Enter the internal ID if required, or let NetSuite auto-generate it to uniquely identify the custom list within the system. Enter a description to provide context or details about the purpose of the custom list. This helps with clarity and future reference. Add the values for the custom list by entering each item or option you want included. These values will appear as selectable options wherever the custom list is used. You can choose to display the list values by order entered or alphabetically. Check the Matrix Option List box if you want the custom list to be available for use in Matrix items. Click Save to create and store the custom list in the system. In the Custom List section, locate the list you just created by searching for its name or browsing through the list. You can use filters or the search bar to find it quickly. The custom list was saved successfully, and all values have been stored as intended. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.